Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread in the microwave. First, gather your ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. You'll also need a microwave-safe mug or ramekin, approximately 3.5 inches in diameter. Make sure your microwave is clean and ready to go for this quick and easy recipe. This method is perfect for a single serving treat. Now, let's prepare the batter. Start by mashing 1 ripe banana directly in your microwave-safe mug until it's smooth. Next, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar to the mashed banana. Finally, sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir all the ingredients together thoroughly until you have a well-combined, smooth batter. This ensures even cooking and a delicious texture. It's time to cook your banana bread. Place your mug with the batter into the microwave. Cook on high power for 90 seconds. After this initial cooking time, carefully remove the mug and check for doneness. Insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your banana bread is ready. If not, return it to the microwave for additional 15-second intervals until fully cooked. Be careful not to overcook it. Your delicious microwave banana bread is now ready. Let it cool in the mug for a couple of minutes before enjoying. You can eat it directly from the mug or carefully invert it onto a plate. For an extra touch, consider adding a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a drizzle of honey. It's a perfect, warm treat in just minutes. Also, for other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade banana bread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.